dear children. We learned something about animals in the last class, isn't it? Hope you all understand that. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay? So, today we are going to take a new lesson named The Plant Fairy. Chapter 2, The Plant Fairy. Okay? Do you like games? I know all of you like games. So, I will give you a new game for you. Okay? The name of this game is the Plant Fairy game. Maybe you know this game. But I will tell you how to play this game. Okay? All of you ready? Listen carefully. I will tell you how to play this game. Then you can play this game with your friends. Okay? First, this game needs more than 2 members. And one will become Plant Fairy. Okay? One will become Plant Fairy. And Plant Fairy will say any name of something. Plant Fairy will say any name of something. And all the other children want to touch it. All the other children have to touch it. So what is the game? One will become Plant Fairy and all the other children have to touch what the Plant Fairy said. Okay. Okay. In this chapter also, some children are playing this game, Plant Fairy game. There are 5 children in this game. And the eldest member of their team became Plant Fairy. Didi became Plant Fairy. The Didi said to touch a plant. At once all the children ran towards the plants and everyone touched a plant. I will show you the picture of what the children touched. Okay? This is the picture of what the children touched. Can you see this? Ammu held the marigold plant. Shabnam sat touching a jasmine. Shabnam touched a jasmine. Dairam caught hold of a neem tree and stood there. Dairam touched a neem tree and Michael touched mehendi bush. Okay, what the children touched? This is Didi and these are other members of that team. Okay, and every children touched any plant. Ammu touched marigold, Shabnam touched jasmine, Dairam touched neem tree, Michael touched mehendi bush. Okay. Then can you say where this Didi is sitting? That is also one plant. Which plant is that? Grass. Yes, very good. That is grass. All the children touched plant. The game start again. Didi said, now all of you touch any tree. Again children ran towards the tree and everyone touched any tree. I will show you the picture of what tree they touched. Look at this picture. Some of the children touched a big tree, thick tree, isn't it? And one boy touched a thin tree, isn't it? Then game continued again. Game started again and Michael found it very interesting. Michael found that game very interesting. So Michael said, now I want to be the plant fairy. I want to be the plant fairy. And Michael became the plant fairy and game started again. Michael said, get me some leaves. What the Michael said? Get me some leaves. And all the children ran to collect leaves. All the children ran to collect leaves. Everyone collected some leaves. I will show you that picture also. I will show you. Look at this picture. These are the leaves they collected. Okay. These are the leaves they collected. What is the difference between these leaves? All the leaves are looking same? No, every leaves are looking different, isn't it? So, what are the differences? Yes, color different, size is different, and the shape is also different. Even the margins of these leaves are different, isn't it? Margins also different. Okay. We saw so many plants and trees in this chapter, isn't it? But have you noticed the plants and trees are different, isn't it? We have so many plants and trees around us, but all the trees and plants are different in its shape and its color, isn't it? But all the plants and trees have the same parts and same functions. It look like different, but it have same parts and same functions. Okay. So today we will discuss what are the parts of a plant and a parts of a tree. Parts of plant and parts of tree. Okay. We will check which are the parts of plant and a parts of tree. Okay. Parts of a plant. Which are the parts of plant? Bud, fruit, flower, root, leaf, stem. These are the different parts of a plant. Okay. Which are the parts of plant? Bud, fruit, flower, root, leaf, stem. Okay. This colored and scented part of this part is called flower. Okay. And this part which is under the ground is called root. And it holds the plant firmly in the ground. This root holds the plant firmly in the ground, in the soil. Okay. This helps to absorb water and minerals from the soil and give it to other parts. Okay. What are the functions of root? It hold the plant firmly in the ground and absorb water and minerals from the soil. That is the function of a root. Okay. Then next one, stem. Stem. This main part of the plant is called stem. And it bearing all the other part of the plant. Leaf. Where we can see leaf. It grows from this stem, isn't it? And flowers also bear by the stem. Okay. The stem helps to bear all the making food for the plant. That is the duty of leaf. And this one is called fruit. This one is called fruit. Okay. And this one is called bud. Folded flower. Folded form of a flower. That is called bud. Okay. Which are the different parts of plant? Bud, fruit, flower, root, leaf, stem. Okay. Next, what we learn? What will we learn? Yes, parts of a tree. Okay, parts of a tree. Let us check which are the parts of tree. Yes, this one is, this green part is leaves, isn't it? It is this green part, leaves. Then this one, you know that, fruit. Which fruit is this? Yes, mango, isn't it? Fruit. Then this main part is known as, under the ground, root, isn't it? Which part is this? Root. And it is also hold the plant firmly in the soil. Then next one, this thick part of the plant is known as trunk. This main woody part of the plant is known as trunk. Okay, what we call that? Trunk. In plant, it is called stem, and in tree, we can call it trunk. Okay, this thick and woody part of the plant is called trunk. Then next, branch. Branch, small woody part of the tree that come from the trunk. That comes from the trunk. That grows from the trunk is called branch. This one is branch. That is coming from trunk. This part is called branch. Okay. Then the thin and woody part of this is called twig. Can you see? Twig. Okay. The small and woody, thin and woody part of this is called twig. Okay. Then this one, fruit, root, trunk, branch, leaves. Okay, which are the different part of a plant? Leaves, twig, fruit, root, branch, trunk. Okay, all of you understood? Which are the different part of a plant? Bud, leaves, flower, fruit, root, stem, isn't it? Then different parts of a tree. Yes, leaves, twig, fruit, root, trunk, branch. These are the different parts of a tree. So what we learned today? Parts of a plant and parts of a tree. Hope you all understand that. I will give you some homeworks through WhatsApp. All of you do it. Be a good